Hello everyone, and welcome to our third video tutorial on circles. In this video, we will be learning how to solve problems where we are given two endpoints of the diameter of a circle. So we've got two endpoints of our diameter. So these problems will look something like this. You'll just be given 2 points. Let's say we've got 2, 3, and 5, and 7. So these are our two endpoints of our diameter. Okay? Well, standard form of a circle, which we all know by now, is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, what we need to find is our center, and we need our radius. Well, we can do this with the two endpoints of the circle by using the midpoint formula and then using the distance formula. So, using the midpoint, that will give us our center. So, let's find the midpoint of this. This would be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So 5 plus 2 divided by 2 gives me 7 over 2. And then our y is going to be x2 plus x1, or 3 plus 7, divided by 2 gives me 5. So that is the center of our circle, 7 halves and 5. Now we need to know the radius. Well, we're going to do that by finding the diameter, or using the distance from this point to this point, and then dividing by 2. You could also, now that you know the center of your circle, find the distance from your radius to your diameter. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from endpoint to endpoint. So I'm going to go diameter equals the square root. Now here we're going to go x2 minus x1, or 5 minus 2. So that gives me 3, and 3 squared gives me 9. Plus y2 minus y1, or 7 minus 3. Well, that gives me 4, and 4 squared gives me 16. So diameter equals the square root of 25. Well, we all know that is just 5. So that means that our radius is half of our diameter, or 5 halves. Well, if we look up here, radius needs to be squared. So our equation would look something like this. It would go x minus 7 halves squared plus y minus 5, and then that quantity squared, equals. Now, r is 5 halves, and 5 halves squared is just 5 halves times 5 halves, or 25 over 4. And that, my friends, would be your final answer, using two endpoints of a diameter to get standard form of a circle.